Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video just to show how to take the screenshot of this MT4 platform, this whole screen, easy and clean. So if you need to show it to someone, because when people ask me questions, especially my subscribers, some of them are like brand new and they are new to Forex, and they're taking the screenshot and they're so bad I can't even understand anything. So let me show you what is the proper way and how you can get a very clean screenshot. Okay, so first thing, this is my 20-minute chart, and my I just applied my 20-minute template on it, and this is how it should be. Okay, but how you take the screenshot is on this screen, right click on your mouse, not left, right click, okay, here, and then go here, save as picture. Okay, and then you left click on it, means select, like this. Then this window opens up. Select the middle option, active chart. In the bracket it says as is, active chart, and resolution, forget about it. It's just select this one, and then make sure you uncheck this, and then press OK, left click. Okay, so it will ask you where to save the chart, and best, you can do it in any folder, but for this purpose I will just show you how to save it on your desktop, and then you take it from there, send it to anywhere you want. So here, select desktop, right? So now you have desktop, and on this desktop you give it a name, whatever the name is. So this is USDX M20, and today's date, I want to make sure that I know which date I saved the chart, right? So I'm going to make it USDX M20, just make a little space in between so you know what it is, and then date. So that's 11 19, right? And that's 2018. And now click save. Now this thing is saved on your desktop, and this is how it is saved. You see how nice and clean, exact same chart as my MT4 was. No hanky panky, no nothing wrong at all about this chart. So where it is now, let me go and show it to you. On your desktop, it will be saved right, oh come on, okay, it will be saved right here. See, this is it, USDX M20 11 19 18. So now you know that what is it, and you have a date here, right? So if double click on it, and you will have this, right? So now if you send me something like this to ask that if your chart is fine, that I can see it, but if you take it any other way, it looks very bad, and I can't understand how it is. So it's confusing. Okay, so be on the same page, do as I do things here, so that will be very easy for me and for you. I can explain you and teach you more and more. All right, so this is it, and I'm gonna make small videos about how to do this, how to do that, a lot of them, and then put them in together for my subscriber. If anybody sign up, and they will get all of those videos as well. Okay, so yeah, so this is in this video, this is what I wanted to show. I don't want to show anything else, and that's about it. Oh, one more thing is that how you can attach this and send it to me. How so for example, if you open your email, and then you go compose, right here, for example, let me just move this one. I don't want to. Okay, this is my okay, this is my oh, come on, why you take so much time, man? Okay, this is my that's all spam folder, my email. So what I do is I compose, right, and for just showing purpose, I'll show it to myself. So friendly mortgage yahoo.com, right? And then you know, whatever the subject is, right? For Sam, right? And then how you attach it, you go here, see the attach file, and then you go on your desktop, click on the desktop, and a new window will come where it should, see, this is desktop, right? Okay, so now you see this chart is showing here. USD, we just saved it, USDX to M20 11 19 18. Click that and open. It will attach here, and once it's turned blue, okay, it's done. All right, so and now what are you write whatever you want to write here, and then press the send button, and I will get it within seconds. All right, that would be the right way to save the chart, the correct way, and the best way. Okay, I hope it helped. Then talk to you guys later.